I want to give you an up-close look at the quality you can expect from this adjustable cup holder and expander. I show you this in my car, but I can never get the light where I felt it was doing it justice, so I'll just show you more closely here so you can see the details. The bottom does expand. It obviously is round. I know there are a few cars that do not have round cup holders, so if you're in that category, this won't be for you. But I think for the vast majority of them, I'll show you it at its most narrow point, which I believe is just a little over 2.5 inches wide, and then you can keep expanding it so that these posts come out. So it is going to fit in up to a 3.93 inch diameter cup holder. So you have a lot of wiggle room with that. But let me show you everything with the wiggle room you get with the top, with all your options there. So very solidly constructed. This has some cushion on it, so you hit bumps and stuff on the road. It has a little bit of give in it, but it does not have give as far as having your thing being able to fit tightly. You can conform it to whatever size you have. That is not going to wander back and forth and spill out. So let me just show you a couple examples of things that will fit in here with no problem. Here is a 32-ounce hydro jug. Then this piece is more wide on the bottom. Maybe have this with a small blender or something like that. So I'll just push that in a little bit, push it down, and everything just opens up and expands, holds it very tightly in here. Here's a Yeti. Fits right in, no problem. And then let's take a little bit of a more narrow one. This goes all the way down. Then you can just push it in a little bit and it will hold it very solidly, even though this is the most narrow choice that I have to show you. But say you have quite a large thing you want to fit in there. So I'm just going to pull that out, twist this a little bit so it expands to the absolute largest. Look at the girth of that. And then say you want to take your multivitamins in the car with you and you just pop them in, a large thing like that, even a strange shape. And I just kind of push this in so it conforms to it tightly. And once again, you have a very solid hold in this cup holder. So the big benefit is obviously just the conformity you have with all kinds of different sizes, with the different sizes of a cup holder that you might have, and then with the different sizes that you are pulling out to have your different size beverage containers in there. I am loving having this as an option to just know that I can have hot cold beverages in there in all kinds of different sizes, and I know that the spill rate and the spill possibility is far lower because I'm using this. So if this is going to help you in your car ride, I really hope you'll consider it. I recommend.